Question number 9. A hollow copper pipe of inner diameter 6 cm and outer diameter 10 cm is melted and changed into a solid circular cylinder of the same height as that of the pipe. Find the diameter of the solid cylinder. External diameter. That is equal to 10 centimeter. Radius, that is capital R, equal to 10/2 centimeter. So R is equal to 5 centimeter. Internal diameter equal to 6 centimeter and radius, that is small r, 6/2 3 centimeter. Internal radius is equal to 3 centimeter. Volume of cylinder is equal to volume of external cylinder minus volume of internal cylinder. Volume of cylinder, that is pi r square h equal to pi capital R square h minus pi small r square h. Pi h is taking common capital R square minus small r square, pi r square h. Pi h is cancelled and pi is cancelled. So r square is equal to capital R is 5 square minus small r is 3 square, which implies r square equal to 25 minus 3 3s are 9. R square is equal to 16, which implies radius equal to under root 16. So R is equal to 4 centimeter. And we find the diameter. So diameter of solid cylinder, that is equal to 2 times of radius, 4, which implies 4 2s are 8 centimeter. Answer. External diameter is 10 centimeter and its radius, that is capital R, equal to 10/2 5 centimeter, and internal diameter is equal to 6 centimeter and its radius, that is equal to 6/2 is 3 centimeter. So its internal radius 3 centimeter, and let volume of cylinder is equal to volume of external cylinder minus volume of internal cylinder, that is volume of hollow cylinder also, and pi r square h. Let r be the radius of cylinder and is equal to pi external radius capital R square h minus internal radius, that is equal to small r square h. So external radius equal to 5 square and internal radius equal to 3 square. Pi h, this is cancel, and let r be the radius of cylinder. So r square equal to 5 square minus 3 square. 5 5s are 25 minus 3 3s are 9. R square equal to 16. So r equal to root 16, that is 4 centimeter. And we find the diameter of the solid cylinder, that is equal to double of radius. Radius is 4, so 2 multiplied by 4, that is equal to 8 centimeter. So diameter of solid cylinder equal to 8 centimeter. Answer. Question number 10. A hollow sphere of a internal and outer diameters 4 centimeter and 8 centimeter respectively is melted into a cone of base 8 centimeter. Find the height of the cone. Let h be the height of the cone. Diameter of cone is equal to 8 centimeter. Radius of cone equal to 8 upon 2, that is 4 centimeter. 8 divided by 2 equal to 4 centimeter. Outer diameter is equal to 8 centimeter and radius, that is capital R, equal to 8 upon 2, 4 centimeter, equal to 4 centimeter. Inner diameter is equal to 4 centimeter. Radius R equal to 4 upon 2, that is equal to 2 centimeter. Volume of cone equal to volume of outer sphere minus volume of inner sphere. Volume of cone 1 upon 3 pi r square, that is 4 raised to power 2 into h, equal to volume of 4 upon 3 pi capital R, that is equal to 4 raised to power 3 minus 2 raised to power 3. 3 is cancelled, pi is cancelled, and h is equal to 4 4s are 16, h equal to 4 into 64. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64, minus 2 2s are 4 2s are 8, which implies 16h equal to 4 into 64 minus 8 is 56, and h is equal to 4 into 56 upon 16. 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. 4 ones are 4, 14 fours are 56 centimeter, which implies height equal to 14 centimeter. Answer. So height of cone is equal to 14 centimeter. Answer. Let h be the height of cone. Diameter of cone is equal to 8 centimeter. Its radius is half of diameter, that is 4 centimeter. Outer diameter is equal to 8 centimeter. Outer radius equal to 8 upon 2, that is 4 centimeter. Inner diameter is 4 centimeter and radius equal to 4 upon 2, that is 2 centimeter. Volume of cone equal to volume of outer sphere minus volume of inner sphere, that is 4 upon 3 pi common, capital R cube minus small r cube, and pi is cancel, 3 is cancel, 4 fours are 16, h equal to 4 fours are 16, 16 fours are 64, minus 2 twos are 4 twos are 8, 64 minus 8, that is equal to 56, multiply by 4, and 16h is equal to 4 into 56 upon 16. 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16, 4 ones are 4, and 14 fours are 56. So height of cone equal to 14 centimeter. Answer. Question number 11. A well with inner diameter 6 meter is dug 22 meter deep. Soil taken out of it has been spread evenly all round it to a width of 5 meter to form an embankment. Find the height of the embankment. Let h be the height of the embankment. Inner diameter is equal to 6 meter. Radius that is equal to 6 upon 2 implies 3 meter. Height, deep means height. Height of dug is equal to 22 meter. Volume of dug equal to pi r square h. Pi is 3.14 into 3 into 3 into 22 meter cube, that is 3.14 into 3 3s are 9 and 22 into 9, that is 9 2s are 18 plus 1 19, 198 centimeter cube. Volume of embankment equal to pi capital R square h minus pi small r square h, that is pi h is common and it to a width of 5 meter to from a embankment. So external radius is equal to 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3, that is 8 raised to power 2 minus internal radius is 3 raised to power 2. That is equal to pi h into 8 8 are 64 minus 3 3 are 9. Pi is 3.14 into h into 55. 64 minus 9 is 55. Volume of duct equal to volume of embankment, that is 3.14 into 198 equal to 3.14. Pi is 3.14 and this is cancel. Height h into 55 divided by 55, which implies h equal to 198 divided by 55, that is 11 ones are 11, 11 eights are 88, 11 fives are 55. So 18 divided by 5, 5 threes are 15, 3.0, 5 6 are 30. So height of the embankment equal to 3.6 meter. Answer. Let h be the height of the embankment and inner diameter is 6 centimeter, radius is half of diameter 6 meter and radius is equal to half of diameter, that is equal to 3 meter. Height of duct is 22 meter. Volume of duct pi r square h. Pi is equal to 3.14 into 3 into 3 into 22, that is 198 meter cube, and volume of the embankment equal to pi capital R square h minus pi small r square h. Small r is internal radius and capital R is outer, that is 5 plus 5 meter plus 3. Outer radius is 8, 8 square is 64, 3 square is 9, 64 minus 9 is 55 and pi is 3.14. So volume of duct equal to volume of embankment. Volume of duct is 3.14 into 198 into volume of embankment is 3.14 into h into 25. 25 divided by left side. So we get height is equal to 198 upon 55, that is divisible by 11. 11 fives are 55 and 11 18s are 198. Then 18 divides 5, we get 3 fives are 15, 3.030 and 5 6 are 30. So we get the height of the embankment is equal to 3.6 meter. Answer. Thank you.